Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT3 Pro to Android. First, power on your watch by holding the crown button until the Huawei logo appears. Once it boots, select your desired language. Next, you'll need to install the Huawei Health app on your Android phone. It's crucial to download it from the Huawei app gallery for the most compatible version. Also, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and visible to other devices. Now, let's move to the pairing process. Open the Huawei Health app on your Android phone and sign in with your Huawei ID. If you don't have one, you can easily register. Then, go to the Devices tab and tap Add Device. The app will scan for nearby devices and should find your Huawei Watch GT3 Pro. Select your watch and then confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the watch itself to establish the connection. Sometimes you might encounter connection issues. First, verify that the Huawei Health app has all required permissions, especially location access, enabled on your Android phone. Also, confirm that Huawei Mobile Services, or HMS Core, is installed and up to date. If the problem continues, a simple restart of both your Huawei GT3 Pro and Android phone can often resolve it. As a final step, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Huawei Health app, ensuring you sync your data to the cloud beforehand. Once connected, your Huawei GT3 Pro offers many features. You can track over 100 workout modes, from running to freediving. Benefit from 24/7 health monitoring, including heart rate and blood oxygen levels, with real-time alerts. Personalize your watch with various watch faces and download more applications through the app gallery. Plus, enjoy an impressive battery life of up to 14 days on the titanium version with typical use, or about 7 days on the ceramic model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.